One of the most common questions we get in the Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People, which is our private Facebook group, is what do I do if my doctor wants an MUA? Manipulation under anesthesia. And I can tell you that I have been a physical therapist since 2006. I've been a private practice owner since 2001. I've seen countless patients that are so fearful of having a manipulation under anesthesia for a stiff knee that they avoid it, and then once they've had it, they have a great outcome. The reality is, in an ideal world, everybody would get their full range of motion within the first 2 to 4 weeks, but we don't live in an ideal world, and I think most clients understand that. There are a lot of reasons why somebody might be struggling to regain range of motion. For example, I always say I would rather have a patient who has a knee that's too tight than a knee that's too loose, because a tight knee can always be loosened. A loose knee cannot be tightened. There are structures around the knee that can get looser to allow greater range of motion, but they can't be tightened. Ligaments, once they have been stretched, cannot be tightened back up. Joint capsule connective tissue, once it's been stretched, it cannot be tightened again naturally. But a tight joint capsule or ligament can be loosened. Tight scar tissue can always be loosened. And there are questions about how long do we have to regain range of motion. I would say there are different phases to consider. You have the acute post-op phase, where we want to try to get range of motion within 2 to 4, maybe 6 weeks. But then once you've passed that, and it's been 6 months, or it's been a year, or even 3 years, there's still the ability to increase range of motion. Think about it, if I'm a 50-year-old man, if I go to a yoga class, I'm going to increase range of motion because of the deliberate work that I'm putting into stretching the structures. Anybody can increase range of motion at any time. There is nothing unique or special about somebody who had a knee replacement that says all of a sudden they can't increase range of motion. But I will say that it could be harder, it could take longer. There's certainly evidence to suggest that the easiest time is during the first 2 to 6 week window. Once we start moving back past that and the tissue starts to mature, it becomes difficult, but it does not become impossible. If you have a question about manipulation under anesthesia, I have a dedicated service where you could schedule a call with me. I'll put the link down below. It's not physical therapy. I cannot deliver medical advice, but what I can do is I could answer questions and provide education about what typically happens for somebody who is struggling to regain knee range of motion. They've done everything they were told to do. They thought they did everything right, but they're stuck at 70, 80, 90 degrees of flexion and they can't get further. So if you have questions, absolutely join the free Facebook group. If you want to talk to me directly, you can use this link to book a call. But what I would encourage you to do more than anything is talk to your physical therapist, talk to your surgical team. If you feel like you're all on the same page, have confidence that nobody is going to make a recommendation that they don't think is in your best interest. They're doing what they think is right for you. You just have to decide if it's the right thing for you, because only you know what your body is going through. I wish you the best, and I'll see you on the next video.